Now you know how it is like for me as a professional storyteller. I am going to show you the day in the life of an online writing tutor. So I took you on that journey last week, the day in the life of a storyteller. So now we are moving on to the day in the life of online writing tutor. That online tutoring for your teenager, you might be thinking, what are the benefits to online tutoring? How can it be as effective as face-to-face? And there are so many benefits to it. I'm going to show you. So I'm going to take you on my journey, how it is like for me on my typical day when I am tutoring online. I usually start off with yoga and just breathing in, breathing out. It really helps to calm me down, to keep me focused and just keep me focused on the day at hand. Then I wake up and then it's time to sort out my lovely daughter for the day and get her ready for nursery. At my to-do list for the day, I usually write down typically about 3 things I need to do in the day. Now I'm showing you a snippet of some of my tutoring sessions with my students online. Sometimes I feel it's more interactive than actually working face-to-face. My students, they have more control with the technology, and once they get used to the technology, they feel much more confident in actually making more progress in their writing. They can work at their own pace as well, and it is really good when you get the right tools to use online. Online writing tutor, as a parent, you might be thinking, how can that be effective when you're doing it online, especially when you have to do writing? They're not actually using pen and paper, but there are so many great interactive whiteboards and databases online that you can use that is as effective as a pen and paper. When it comes to essay work, we usually use Google Docs. Google Docs is a great interactive tool to use, especially with essay writing and marking as a tutor. It's easy. You can share it with the other student. You can either share it with the parent as well, so they are in the loop of what they are working on for that week. And it saves everything automatically. So you don't need to think, oh my gosh, I need to save this. It saves it automatically and it saves it directly to your Google Drive. Along with that, I like also using Grammarly. And Grammarly, you can get the free app or you can get the paid version. The free app is really useful because it just shows your teenager just the main errors in their writing. So with their basic grammar, with the word choices that they use, with the arrangement of their writing, it will just tweak it slightly. If you want to get the paid version, I do recommend it, especially if your teenager is working on personal statements, if they are working towards leaving school soon and getting a job, and if they're around 17, 18 years old, then I would recommend getting the paid version, because the paid version can actually show your teenager how to write in the right register and the right tone for that particular piece of writing. Also, I use OneNote, and OneNote is really good when it comes to storing, the same as Google Drive really, when it comes to storing folders. But I like using OneNote because it gives the student a nice visual of the work that we have focused on. And I usually use it as like sort of showing PowerPoints to them. They can also access it like Google Drive as well, Google Docs. They can access it. You can share it with them. And they can continue to access OneNote. Question 2. Okay, so question 2 says, how does the writer use language here to give a sense of different people's reactions to the crime scene? Right, so you need to pay attention to this part. It says you could include a writer's choice of words and phrases, okay? So this is where you're going to zoom in to the quote, yeah?
Yeah.
So when they say specific words and phrases, they want you to zoom in and get examples, yeah, for your answer. Language features and techniques, similes, metaphors, personification, hyperbole, etc. Just to let you know, I've also put a list on OneNote, and it's
I saw that.
Yeah, this is everything you need to know with the writing techniques. Okay, you can use this also for your literature, because obviously you need to get examples for your literature as well. Look, it's got nouns, verbs, modal verbs, whatever you're going to talk about. Thank you guys for tuning in today, and I hope that is helpful. I've seen my students double or sometimes triple their desired target grade and exceed their desired target grade working online than working face-to-face. So if you would like more information about online tutoring when it comes to English for your teenager, please go to the link in my description box below and click on that link. It will take you directly to my website and you can sign up for a free consultation. Also, in that link, you can go to my website and you can click on the notification bell on my website and sign up for a free grammar lesson. All you need to do is just enter your email address on my website in the box that is provided and click sign up. Thank you guys, and remember, reach your full potential with confidence. Let me know what you thought about the video, and like, comment and subscribe. Take care guys, and speak to you soon.